Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So we're here with another exclusive video. We're at the new Super Value Town Center on Constant Spring Road. Did a few updates on this already. I'll definitely put the link in the comments for the previous updates on the shopping complex. So we're gonna get a more in-depth look now. It's still the era of Rona, so you know, in terms of social distancing and the amount of person they'll allow inside, I may not get to go inside everywhere, but just want to show you guys a more in-depth look at the new Super Value Center. So that's what we're gonna do today, guys. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. And once you subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss an upload and you'll be alerted when I upload a new video. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much for everyone that has been sharing the videos, liking the videos, and even just leaving a comment. That helps YouTube to recommend the video to other persons. So I know I'd set a target to try and reach 3,000 subscribers before the end of May, and we're at 2,900, so only 100 to go, guys. So share this video, continue sharing the videos, continue liking the videos as well, leave a comment, and let's hit that 3,000 mark. And again, if you think you want to donate to the channel just to help to grow the channel, better equipment and stuff like that, that is in the description. We have PayPal and all those options. The other thing I want to do quickly, guys, before I show you around, is to big up one of my YouTube colleagues. The name of his channel is Winston Gel. He do infrastructure reviews, commercial development, real estate development videos as well. The only difference is that he's in America, New Jersey. So you guys can definitely check out his channel. I'll leave the link in the description as well. So that's Winston Gel. You guys just check him out. So let's go take a walk, guys. Alright, so that's the new Super Value Fresh Foods. I think that supermarket is a part of Lee's food chain. I'll try to take a walk inside as well. I've heard inside looks, you know, very nice. It's new, so inside will look very nice. So I'll show you guys a glimpse of that as well. We have the Golden Fountain restaurant, and we still have a few unoccupied shops upstairs as well. We have Broadbent, we have Uncork too. There's another Uncork up at, I think, Manor Park. And we have the Life Store, and we'll also take a look outside, and then we try get a closer look for you guys as well. Alright, so this is out on the front, guys. So we have the Constant Spring Tax Office across the road from the Super Value Center. So this is the look from outside. We know Devon House is coming soon. That's Devon House ice cream. Alright, guys, and remember to always share these videos. I know a lot of negativity is happening around us, happening in Jamaica, but at least I, you know, try to show some of these developments, some of these positive stuffs that's happening in Jamaica. So definitely share so that more persons can see, you know, that it's not all about the bad right now, but there's a lot of progress happening as well. Alright, so we're gonna go take a look down that side. I think ICIBJMKN Insurance is down there, and Pink Link Cellular, and then we take a walk in the Fresh Foods Super Value. All right, so we still have some shops that are being worked on. I'm seeing 3 vacant shops that I guess soon get owners. And then we have ICWI Insurance, Pink Link Cellular, and the bakery at Springs. Alright, so inside is new and fresh, guys, but it's just still a typical supermarket. So I'll show you guys a few glimpses. I guess the H is missing. So very new, very clean.
And are your name still? That's what everybody's saying, but this is the second time I'm doing it.
Alright, so we're seeing a lot of parking spaces, guys, but I don't think it's the best use of space. I think they could have had a underground parking, which would have allowed them to have a lot more shop space as well. You know, because they have a lot of parking space. But let's get a bit closer to the shops around this side. So this is a stairs to go up to Golden Fountain Restaurant, and I think they'll have a rooftop nightclub. So most of upstairs is completely empty. I think the owners are, you know, setting up their shops. Alright guys, so that's about it for the Super Value Town Center. As I said, there's still a lot of free shops. So a lot of work is still happening in those shops. A lot of parking space as well. But let me know, guys, tell me what you think about the parking. Should there have been some underground parking? Share your comments. Let me know what your thoughts are in terms of the current setup, the current parking, the current layout. Just leave your thoughts, guys. And if you've reached this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. And thanks to everyone that's always supporting, commenting, liking, sharing, or even supporting, you know, financially as well. Much appreciated. Alright, and as we close this video now, see you on another video soon. And remember to turn on that post notification bell, guys, so that you don't miss any upload. So once I upload, you get that notification as well. Alright, so that's the Super Value Town Center, Constant Spring Road, newly opened just right after the Constant Spring Road finished as well. I think this building or this shopping center has been under construction for many years, but they have finally finished, so that's good. Alright guys, see you.